Good morning, Dad. I have a question for you. Can you please answer me, from our holy book, the Book of Jehovah?
Yes, dear son, what is that question?
Dad, my question is, who is Lord Jesus Christ?
It's a good question, son. Let me answer your question from our holy book, the Book of Jehovah. In John's Gospel chapter 10 verse 36, Lord Jesus Christ, himself, in his own words, said, I am the Son of God. Yes, dear son, he is the Son of our God Jehovah. Being the Son of God, he existed since eternity past. That's the reason Lord Jesus Christ said, in John's Gospel chapter 8 and verse 58, that he existed from the time before Abraham was even born. Also in John's Gospel chapter 10 and verse 30, the Lord Jesus Christ said, I and the Father are one. Notice, my dear son, that no man, no prophet, no angel, has ever claimed that they are in any sense one with the most holy, most glorious, most majestic, most merciful and benevolent Creator of the whole universe. If anyone makes that claim, it will be called a blasphemy. But only Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only begotten Son of the Creator God Jehovah, could make that extraordinary and preternatural claim of being one with the Creator God. Not only that, in John's Gospel chapter 5 verse 23, Lord Jesus Christ said that all men should honor the Son, even as they honor the Father. He that honors not the Son, honors not the Father who had sent him. Notice here very carefully, my dear son, that Lord Jesus Christ said that all men, everyone, should honor him just as they honor God. He claims equal honor with God. Also, he said that, if you don't honor him with the same honor with which you honor God Jehovah, you are dishonoring God Jehovah himself. You can never make Lord Jesus Christ less honorable than God. Being the Son of God, he is equal with God. Notice again, no man, no prophet, nor an angel, can ever claim equality with the Creator God Jehovah. Only Lord Jesus Christ is equal with God. Hope you got the answer, son.
Yes, Dad, I got the answer. Lord Jesus Christ is the Son of God, and he existed from eternity, and he is equal with God. Thank you for clarifying my question from our holy book, Dad.
You are welcome, son. If you have any more questions, you can ask me anytime.
Thank you very much, Dad.